Hello everyone, my name is Kashish
And my name is Dishya.
and today we are going to learn a very fun choreography on the song Patiala. Before we get into the choreography, you can check the full video on the music in the link in the description. And as always, we promise to teach you under 10 minutes. Let's go. This song can be done by all the groups, mothers, bridesmaids, friends, everyone.
Everyone.
Correct. But it is directed or dedicated towards the bride. Yes. So let's get into it. This is our right and this is our left. So first you can wear a dupatta because we are going to use it eventually ahead in the song. So beginning you just jam with the dupatta, you flow for 8 counts and then we get into the choreography. So first you have to face your left, then you have to flick your leg and your hand twice. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to make a window from your hand and you have to scoop under the window, step your right leg forward, step your left leg back and flow the dupatta. Correct. Now from here, you have to rub your hands where right hand is on top of the left hand and you have to dip. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and now from here you have to shake your fingers and take your right hand up and left hand down. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. From here we have to travel towards the right and we have to look at the stars and then we say the stars are not good and we travel towards the left. Take your left hand on the chin and rest on the person who is in front of you. Now we dip and go towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we turn from our left shoulders towards the back and the right hand comes on the forehead. Correct. And we do a small shimmy. From here the lyric says left and right. So we use our left hand, flick it twice back and do double step and go towards the right. And from here you cross your right leg and double step, go towards your left and flick your right hand. From here you have to again cross your left leg and take both the arms in front of you. We say wow or AAD and we shake our hands in, out, So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. From here you have to catch the stars. We go 1, 2, 3, 4 and you have to throw the money away or the blessings or whatever. Now from here you have 6 counts to take your dupatta in front of you and tie it on your waist. Don't panic and tie it easily. Now we go forward and we pick up the glasses which can have anything you want and you keep it on your head. Now from here you have to keep your feet apart and you have to rock your hip right, left, right, left. So we go right, left, right, left. Now we do dipping and make a circle with the hand which has the glass. And again we go right, left, right, left. Now from here you can intertwine your hands keeping the glass as the main element and take a circle.
Find a partner. You can do this with only one other person. So find a partner in the group.
And we can do that. Now from here you have to take your glass far away and bring it back. And again say no. And take it on your head. 1, 2, 3, 4 and rock right, left, right. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you say cheers and you have a sip of your drink. And you jam later. Yes, so this was the entire choreography. I hope you enjoy and if you shoot it or if you happen to perform this any of your weddings, do post the video, do share it with us and like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.
Bye.